going on, guys? Sergeant Morph here again, making another video. Just a couple unboxings. So as some of you know, you guys see some of the stuff there. As some of you guys know, I've been piecing together parts for a PC build, and so I did some shopping. Started getting some of the basic parts I would need, and then the smaller stuff I'll worry about later. Start with the big box. That's the case. I'll go over all of the info with you. Here today I got a case, or a tower as some call it. I got my processor, my video card, so my CPU, my GPU, my motherboard, and the power supply. Basic stuff for right now. So I literally haven't opened none of this shit yet. I'm just gonna do it a live unboxing right here. So I think I should probably get this. Hold on. So we're gonna start with the big box, get it out of the way. So this is while I'm undoing the tape, I'll tell you what it is. This is a Corsair case. I researched cases for a long time, probably a good few months, on which one I would like, which one would be the best, taking recommendations from 37 people, you know, asking around, getting online reviews, and there's a million good cases out there, but it boiled down to my needs. Some cases are more flashy than others. You know, did I really need a big flashy case with all the bright lights and the LEDs and all this other shit? Not necessarily, no. I was thinking about a mid-tower, but then somebody said, dude, for the cost of a mid-tower, a good mid-tower case, spend another 20 or 30 bucks, get a full tower case, you know, do that, and you'll just have more room to play with. So I went with a full tower case. It is, I'll show this to you here. This case is a Corsair Graphite Series Corsair Graphite Series 730T full tower PC case. So this is what it is. I'll show you guys right there. Corsair Graphite Series 730T full tower case. The bigger brother to this case is the 760T. It is basically the exact same case with one exception, and it's $100 more, $80 to $100 more. I believe if you look at my specs and my profile, this case was 120 something, 130 something. I got it on Amazon. The big brother to this case, the 760T, is like another $80 on top of that. And the only difference, it's the same dimension, same internal parts of the case. The only difference, like I said, is the side door. That side door there. On this one, it's a black door. It does have a hinge, so you don't have to slide anything off. You hit the hinge, open it, and it swing both sides, swing open. Two swinging doors, right? Except for this side, this side door is black and it's vented. Whereas the 760T, if you look at it, go take a look at the internet, and you'll see that on the 760T, the whole side door is now acrylic and see-through, and the only part that's not see-through is where the hinge is. But that's the difference. One door is black and one door is acrylic. So you want to spend an extra 80 bucks to be able to look at your internals? Be my guest. I'd rather save the 80 bucks and put it in towards other shit. Maybe that's just me. So, moving on. This box is huge. Really, really huge. So forgive me if I'm moving shit around a lot and all that good crap. I'm gonna actually have to flip this. So some of the specs while I'm opening this, let's see here. "22 inches long, 22 inches high, and 9.7 inches wide. 4 tool-free. Well, there's 6 combo bays for 3.5 or 2.5 drives. There's 4 tool-free 2.5 SSD drives. Total of 12. It comes with, let's see what else. Fan capacity on the top, you could put a 360 millimeter or a 280. The front, you could put a 280 or a 240. The bottom, you could do up to 120, and the rear, you could do 140 or 120. It comes with built-in fans, a couple of them. It comes with a front fan, 140 millimeter front fan with 2 LEDs. It already has the LEDs, and then one rear fan, 140. So there's 2 140 fans in the front and one rear fan at 140 millimeters. 9 expansion slots. Motherboard support is for all the ATXs that you can think of. On the front, it's got 2 USB 3.0s, 2 USB 2.0s, obviously a headphone jack, microphone jack. Power supply support is for the ATX. I'll go over the power supply in a minute, but I think that's basically the meat and potatoes of this thing. Let me get this mother out of the box, dude. It's freaking massive and heavy and alright, so we're getting somewhere, guys. We're getting somewhere. This is a real life unboxing in IRL. In real life. So it comes very fucking hugely well packaged. I don't know where the top or bottom is yet, but we'll figure that out later. We'll figure all that out later. Right now, let's just get it out of the box. Okay? I'm going to assume that this is the bottom. Yes, this is going to be the bottom. Yeah, this case is friggin' huge, dude. Friggin' huge case. This is a top panel. I'm assuming this goes like this. Nope. I got it on its side. I'm bugging. Hold on, team. Here we go. Now we're getting somewhere. I'll try to do the best I can with this. Let me move this stuff and then move the case. I'll just move it all out of the way. Maybe I'll make 2 separate videos so I don't have to do any editing on YouTube. So actually, let's move that well out of the way. See you later, box nerds. So let me put this up here. As you can see, this case is huge. Very, very huge, like in comparison to my head. So yeah, it has the 140 millimeter built-in fan on the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 slots in the back. Bottom mounted ATX. That's the back. Here is the door for the motherboard side. It's a swing open door, just like that. As you guys can see, it feels like a very heavy and sturdy case. So the doors swing open for the motherboard side, everything you would need there. And as far as I'm told, these doors come off extremely easily by lifting up. There's just 2 tab support things. Let's see if I can line that back up. Yep, that was very easy, guys. See that? That's that side. Ooh, let's swing it around to the front. The front has some tape on it. I'll worry about that in a minute. So it's got the 3 bays here. You can't see it, but there's 1 and 1. So there's 2 fans. There's 2 140 fans there. I'm told that taking this off is very easy, but I'm not going to do that now. For the top, I'll show you the top. You have support for 3 fans up top. I'm assuming it looks like 140s up to, you could do 120s or 140s for the top, so 3 up top. Some people don't put any fans on top. They just leave the top wide open, so let the exhaust air out. The air exhaust out is what I meant to say. And then here is your other side, your other door. Again, door panel. As you can see, this thing is friggin' huge. Friggin' really, really huge. So fans are huge in there. All your drive slots. You can't see it, but back here, I'm sure you guys know what the hell you're looking at. You got your SSD slots back there. This is for your drives. This is for your hard drives. Obviously, this is where the motherboard is going to sit in due time. But let me see if I can help you see this a little better. Like, there's the big fan there. Sorry about the lighting, guys, but this is a very impromptu video. Quick, impromptu. So, let me try something here. Sorry, guys, this case is very big and very cumbersome. So yeah, this is basically what it's gonna look like. You know, it's got the two doors, like I said. It was $130 on Amazon. You can get it cheaper at like Micro Center. I just found out. So very simple, very plain. Up top, you got your power button, your USB 3.0s, USB 2.0s, and your headphone and microphone jack. Let me see about this. Take this tape off because we don't need this tape on there. Okay, that tape is gone. See you later. Oh, this thing, as far as I understand it, it's just sits on top to make it look clean. If you don't plan on using fans or whatnot, it stays up there. It's magnetically held in there. So, but I'm not going to use that. I'm going to leave it wide open. As far as I understand, this pops off very simply. The front face, by just pulling up on this. I don't know. I don't think I know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. But, alright, trust me, the front face pops off. I've seen it in the video on YouTube. But I'm going to worry about that another time. There's your big ass tower case. Big case. And I'm going to make a second video for the other stuff. Only because, yep, you can see all the little magnets in here. There's a bunch. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's 12 little magnets. So when, as you can see, you place this on there, and now it's magnetized. It stays there. So that's that. Sorry about the herky-jerky video. I'm using if you guys are wondering, every video I make is done with a GoPro Hero 3 Black Edition. So I think we have time. Let's see here. Well, no, we're actually at 12 minutes. 12 minutes and 30-something seconds, 40-something seconds. So I'm going to cut this video here. I'm going to make a second video for all the other stuff. So I want to keep it under 15 minutes so I don't have to edit the videos. So I'll see you guys in one bit.